day, beautiful people. My name is Midrand, and today we are at Blue Lake Estate, 27 Kilimanjaro Crescent in Midrand, Blue Hills. This right here is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 56 square meters, selling from 850,000. With a gross pay of just 25,000, you can get yourself this beautiful apartment, and you're not liable for any bond costs or transfer duties. This apartment has a decent kitchen island that serves as extra storage space as well as a breakfast nook on the other side. You also get a gas stove. We know we are in South Africa, so here you'll be able to enjoy your meals even during load shedding. And because we value our clients, we give you a head start with this single door D5 fridge that has a water dispenser. Your bedroom fits a queen bed with 2 pedestals, and you have a 4-door cupboard that fits everything and anything. You also get a full bathroom that has a bathtub. Your tiling is from ceiling to floor. You have a soft closed toilet, a very spacious shower, and this LED mirror over here, which is really cute for videos, content, and all of that. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour. Please do book an appointment with us, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!